You're creative, you're bold, and you're fucking funny! Anywho, is that a seagull? Or is that a signal? Signal. Sorry, the seagull is this one. Seagull to signal, seagull to signal, seagull to signal. What started as a joke tweet has taken flight. I don't know why I keep picturing myself going. Welcome to the bizarre world of birds aren't real. Yes, a movement flapping its wings through internet culture claims our feathered friends are actually federal drones. Some birds are trainable, some are just stupid. But this theory, it's flying straight into your group chat. Check your phone. Stick around, you're about to eavesdrop on two dudes who are wondering if that sparrow outside their window is singing or surveilling.